Channel is a very thin girl, all bones and not much flesh, with a big forehead that could block out the sun, and buff teeth that made her hide her smile. From her school days, people teased her so much that she grew up believing no man could ever truly love her. Then came Draga. Draga was Annie's son. He was the same age as Channel, 25, but his mind was stuck at 15. He had never worked a day in his life. Channel took care of him. She bought him clothes, cooked his meal, washed his clothes, and took care of their children. A 6- and a 2-year-old son. All Draga did every day was to wake up, scroll on his phone, smoke weed, and act tough. But the real villain in this story is Annie. Annie never hid how much she hated Channel. On camera, off camera, it never mattered to her. Anytime she went live on TikTok, she would call out Channel in front of everyone watching.
You're not going to use your long mouth and black me girl. That kind of blouse that you have, like all woman blouse. Fix up your blouse and man make you look good. Me, what's up with stomach, girl? Yeah. I'm in bed, me go, so me now fix up it. I say you got your bed, I say your man give your bone.
She would say, laughing loud while viewers sent laughing emojis. Sometimes Channel would stand there silent, embarrassed in front of thousands watching. Annie would continue.
What is an underprivileged drunk where you go? Underground dog, where you go? What you do over here so? If anybody want to tell you to stop a cussing, make somebody else tell you to stop a cussing, but not you dog shit. Where are you going? Move from your song, go and go buy last coffee your pitney. You dirty drunk yo. Where you going? Both family. Your family so? You is no family to this family.
And off camera, it was even worse.
You pack your bag and come out of my house. Come in one box in your face here. Me get up and come on this right now and spread my blood clot finger them cross with your face here. You hear me I say to you? I want you to take it serious. Somebody just like you utter something out of your mouth to me right now, what me not like, and see how serious me is. I'm willing to go blood clot jail.
Draga never defended Channel. He would just lay in bed, scroll through TikTok, scratching his head while his mother tore down the only woman who cared for him. One day Channel came home early from work. When she opened the door, her knees almost gave way. There was TT in bed with Draga in a compromising position, looking at Channel while smirking with confidence. Draga sat there like a king on his throne, puffing out smoke, while TT scrolled on her phone without a care in the world. Channel stood at the doorway trembling. Tears filled her eyes and streamed down her cheeks before